It is necessary to ensure that waste facilities embrace good and sustainable design. It is accepted that other developments, such as houses, schools or offices, need to be well designed, and waste facilities are no different. It is critical that they work and promote the service that they provide. New waste facilities represent some of the largest new developments throughout the country. They are often built using public money, and therefore should be buildings that we can all be proud of. Good design does not just relate to appearance. We must also consider how efficient a site is, how a building sits within its surroundings, and how to minimise its impact on the environment. It does not come about by simply including a number of different features, but it is an iterative process involving a range of stakeholders and experts. So why should a waste facility look good? We've already touched on the importance of the role of the community. Waste facilities need to be seen in a positive light. Perception and the appearance of new facilities is fundamental to this. It goes without saying that the environmental impacts should be minimised wherever possible, and they should always look clean and tidy. But the appearance of a building can go beyond this.
Good design can really make the difference between something being acceptable and not acceptable. And today they are designing places, and I think we've designed Battlefield, which does fit in extremely well with local surroundings, and it's in sympathy. So I think good design is absolutely critical.
You only need to look at the new waste facilities around the country to see that attitudes are beginning to change. If through good design, waste management can demonstrate that it is clean, efficient and well controlled, it will promote the best possible image. The automatic approach should not be to hide a new waste facility. It may be more appropriate that it's clearly seen and makes a positive statement about waste management. Modern waste facilities will often look no different to other industrial premises and can even enhance their surroundings. The layout of facilities is also a key consideration. At the heart of any waste facility is the process which is taking place. The layout needs to allow the vehicles that use it to move around easily and safely. We also need to make sure that we make the most of the sites that already exist. Innovative layouts may be needed to fit everything within a confined space. Where there is a public interface, health and safety needs to be considered carefully. Many modern household waste sites operate on split levels, such as this example in Shropshire. This approach allows the public to move around safely, but does not hinder the other operations that are taking place. Sustainability and carbon footprint are both terms that are becoming familiar to all of us. If we manage our waste responsibly, it means that we're making good steps forward. But there are many other things that should be thought about when building a waste facility. For example, transportation, energy use, and flooding. Considering such things can not only reduce the environmental impact, it can also reduce the financial impact too. One example is to maximise the use of natural daylight, thereby reducing the need for artificial lighting. Other new facilities have gone much further. For example, here at Battlefield in Shropshire, a network of pipes underneath the car park provides the heat for the offices. There are no reasons why all new waste facilities cannot incorporate sustainable design and construction. The co-location of different waste facilities can also be beneficial. If several complementary facilities can be delivered in one location, it can provide a strategic site for waste management, minimising the need for waste to be transported between different facilities and reprocessing plants. Many waste facilities are publicly funded buildings, and local authorities should be striving for the best. If local authorities can't drive things forward with the buildings that they are proposing or funding, how can they demand such things from other developers?